We have a grammar about clauses of result using so and such, so and such, okay, to speak about result. Here we use clause of result to express the result of an action or a conclusion, of an action or a conclusion. If you want to use so is followed by only adjective or adverb. Then you can use that to begin the next sentence, and you can also delete that. So using that is optional. Using that is optional. Like he was so bored that, or or you can say he was so bored he felt before he left before the end of the documentary. But when you use such, you must use a or an, or you can delete a or an. It depends on the kind of noun here. If it's singular noun, countable singular noun, you must use a or an. But if it's uncountable noun or plural noun, so you can't use a or an. Okay, and also after a or an or after such, you can use adjective before the noun, or you can't use adjective, just noun. The difference between so and such is the noun. Such must be followed by noun, but so can't be followed by noun. So I want to ask you, this baseball player will get a point if your answer is right, and he will lose if your answer is wrong. Okay, so let's begin. So who can answer the first one?
Ahmed Al-Imran.
Muhammad Al Umran.
Ahmed
Okay,
Al-
read and
It
tell me.
was hot weather that we decided to go to the beach. Such.
Excellent. So you got the player a point here. Why? I will make sure that why such is right here, because we have an adjective. Is not important. The adjective is not important, but the most important thing is whether we have a noun. If you have a noun, so you must use such. If you don't have a noun, so you must use so. Okay, the next one. Who wants to answer? محمد
فارس
العمراني.
الهميل.
No.
محمد
فارس
العمراني.
الدباكر.
فيصل هميلي. فيصل هميلي. يا محمد عمران, you have 2 points till now. فيصل هميلي. Okay.
She is funny. She always makes me laugh.
Again,
She's
what
so
was the
funny.
answer? So funny.
She is so
Excellent.
funny.
Excellent. Now, about the marks. Faisal Himeri got 6 marks. Okay. But Ibrahim Rashid, Ibrahim El Ghadi, Hatim, Hussein, Faris Debekal, all of you took 3. So you have here 3 marks between you and the Faisal El Himeli. He wants to answer the previous one. Okay. Faris Debekal, you have got 4 marks till now. Okay. Faris, read and answer.
Peter is such a friendly boy.
Excellent, because we have here boy.
Boy.
Don't look at this. The most important thing is the noun. So the next one, Abdul Malik.
No.
So because we have only an adverb. Okay, excellent. Okay, the next one. Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik, you got 2 marks, Abdul Malik. Okay.
Sure.
حسين الغنام.
فارس الدباكر.
حسين الغنام. Read.
I didn't know that your brother was so tall.
So tall. Excellent. Excellent. And you got 4 marks till now. Okay. Other one.
Can I answer it, Ibrahim?
فارس الدباكر.
حاتم الدخيل. حاتم الدخيل.
They are such crazy people.
Such crazy people. Can you tell us, Hatim, why you choose such, not so?
Because people.
Yes, because we have a noun here, people. Okay. Okay. Who's next?
Can I answer it, Ibrahim?
فارس
Tell me his
الدباكر.
name. tell me your name. فارس الدبيكل.
Faris
Okay.
Debakil.
Okay, Faris.
I'm glad they are our students. They are such nice children.
Yes, because we have a noun here. Excellent.
Shouting.
Noun. Okay, Faris الدبيكل, you got 5 marks. So you have 1 mark between you and Faisal now. Okay. So the next one.
حاتم الدخيل.
فيصل مهدي.
ابراهيم.
Ibrahim.
ملك غامدي.
Ibrahim who? Who's Ibrahim? Ibrahim Rashid or Ibrahim
انا
Qadi?
إبراهيم طارق.
Huh?
رشيد.
Rashid. Okay, Ibrahim, please read.
Please don't drive so fast.
So fast. Ibrahim Rashid, can you tell me why you chose the so, not such?
Because there are no noun. There is no
Yes.
noun.
Excellent, Ibrahim. Okay.
عبد الملك يسار.
حاتم الدخيل.
عبد الملك.
فيصل المهدي.
عبد الملك.
Such, Yasar. It's
عبد
such a
الملك.
nice day. Let's go out.
Okay, Abdul Malik, can you tell me why you chose such, not so?
Because there are noun.
We have noun here. So, Abdul Malik, you have got 3 marks till now. Who's next? Tell me your name.
حاتم
Not
الدخيل.
Faris Debakil.
حسين.
Hussein. Okay, Hussein. Okay, Hussein.
I didn't like this movie. It was so boring.
Excellent. Excellent.